Welcome to BLUETTI Support. Meet the Elite 300, the world's smallest 3 kWh portable power station, built for home backup and life on the road. It comes with the main unit and essential accessories, and you can expand your power even further with optional add-ons. Compact like a 2 kWh unit, yet delivering longer runtime, the Elite 300 gives you more in less space. The LCD shows the battery level and real-time charge and discharge data. Below it, intuitive buttons give you full control of power, AC and DC outputs. The unit is equipped with 5 AC outlets and 6 DC outputs, ready to power everything you bring along. With 2,400 watts of AC output and up to 4,800 watts of lifting power, it powers everything smoothly. There's also a TT30 port for seamless RV plug-and-play, plus a 12-volt 30-amp DC port for car fridges and other RV essentials. Charging is flexible. You can power it up through a wall outlet, solar, or an alternator, whatever works best for you. When the grid goes down, the Elite 300 keeps your Wi-Fi, lights, and fridge running without interruption, with a switchover time of just 10 milliseconds. Setup is simple. Press the AC and DC buttons together to enter the menu. Use them separately to adjust settings, then long press both again to save and exit. You can also manage everything in the BLUETTI app. Connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to monitor real-time status and customize your settings. The Elite 300 runs on durable lithium iron phosphate batteries to keep them healthy and extend their lifespan. Recharge when the SOC drops below 5%. The safe storage temperature ranges from 14 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. That's all for today. Thanks for choosing the Elite 300. Explore our channel or visit our website for more tips. See you next time.